Hey guys, I'm Pravesh and you watching Spoken English जहां पर आप सीखते हैं इंग्लिश थ्रू हिंदी। आज के इस टॉपिक में हम बात करेंगे कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में, हाउ टू स्टार्ट ए कम्युनिकेशन विद अदर्स and in this video we try to find out that what is a communication and where come from communications words. So what is communication? Before we try to find out the communications, we have to know that where we come from communication and where we find out communication words. Okay, so कहाँ से ये communication word हमको मिला and where we found this word. So this word come from soft skills. Soft skills. Three type of soft skills present in the world. First is people skill. Second is social skills. And third is communication skill. So these are three skills present in the world in present time. So later on we will discuss about people skills and social skills also, but now we talk about communication skills. So आज हम सिर्फ communication skills के बारे में बात करेंगे, because as I told you in a last video about language, so language is a tool of communication. सो कम्युनिकेशन से ही वहीं से एक लिंक मुझे मिला, उसके बारे में हम आज इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे। यहीं से हम आगे के वीडियो के बारे में बता देता हूँ। अगला जो वीडियो होगा पीपल स्किल्स का होगा एंड सोशल स्किल्स का होगा। सो इस चैनल पे आप बने रहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको वह सीखने को मिलेगा जो नेवर बी फाउंड एनीवेयर एल्स। सो आज हम बात करेंगे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की, कि कम्युनिकेशन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ और व्हाट इज कम्युनिकेशन, डेफिनेशन क्या होगी कम्युनिकेशन की। सो फर्स्ट एज अ सिंपल डेफिनेशन, इट denotes what it is. Okay, it's a way of speaking. It is a way of speaking. ये है बोलने का तरीका. Okay, and it's the second definition also could be this one. It's a transfer to your thoughts या फिर information to others or group of people. So these are two definitions present in the present time. It is a way of speaking, and second is it is a transfer to your information to others and or a group of people. So जब आप एक स्पीकिंग का एक इफेक्टिव वे होता है उसके बारे में अगर आप बात करते हो तो उसको कहते हैं वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, एंड वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग कनेक्टेड टू कम्युनिकेशन. Communication is not connected to English speaking. Any language, you can communicate with any language effectively and efficiently. So communication is a different part of English speaking. You can communicate with Hindi also, you can communicate with your vernacular language also. Vernacular language means your mother tongue. So communication is a different part. This is a way of speaking. Today's word, today's thinking is like जो इंग्लिश में बात करता है वही कम्युनिकेट करता है. That's the wrong thinking. कम्युनिकेट आप किसी भी चीज में कर सकते हो, अपनी बात को अच्छे तरीके से रखना ही कम्युनिकेशन होता है. इफ यू लैक ऑफ योर कॉन्फिडेंस, through your confidence you can put your things to other person and he convince with you, this is your good communication. If he not convince with you, this is your bad communication. So that's communication is not related to speaking English. Speaking communication is related with your skills. Okay, this is the skills. We talk about these two skills also further videos, but now we talk about communication. So these two definitions of communication is a way of speaking and it is a transfer to your information to other person and group of peoples. After that further we will rub it, and I can tell you कि how many type of communication skills it present in nowadays. Okay, I hope you enjoy my videos because I'm very four type of, so let's hear about four type of communication is present. First is verbal, second is non-verbal, third is written, and fourth is visual. Okay, so these two we already talk, as I told you in the last video. So these two we already talk, and you know about written language and visual. You can see and you communicate with your. So when we visually present yourself, this is the visual, and written when we written a letter, we written a paragraph, written anything about you communicate with others. So this is the way of communication. So verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual. Verbal, we use verbal only 25%. 75% we communicate with our body, non-verbal, which is not required any sound, any words. This is non-verbal. When we require any words and sound, it is called verbal. So these differentiate with each other. जिसमें वर्ड और साउंड की आवश्यकता होती है उसको बोलते हैं वर्बल, और जिसमें वर्ड और साउंड की आवश्यकता नहीं होती, we have to express ourselves with gesture, with eye contact. These are non-verbal things. So verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual, four type of communications present in present time. So I hope you understand the topic of communication. We further we discuss about people skills and social skill also in this on this channel. So keep subscribe and keep watching this channel and grow your and build your knowledge about language and speaking language. So thank you so much being here, and good luck.